questions about a robotic skimmer? We're going to answer them today. This is brand new from Betta. We're going to put it in, run it, and while it goes, I'll talk to you about its features. This gadget promises to keep your pool sparkling clean with solar energy and a powerful 30-hour continuous cleaning battery. We're going to take a deep dive into its features, including the re-engineered twin salt-chlorine-tolerant motors, its automatic operation, and how well it handles leaves, debris, and even pollen. The cordless pool skimmer is designed for surface cleaning. It doesn't clean the bottom of the pool. It's all designed to provide a hassle-free way to maintain your pool's cleanliness. In terms of the motors, it has twin motors, which are supposed to be salt-chlorine-tolerant motors, which should give you good durability. It has automatic operation. Its cleaning area, what it cleans is the surface of your pool, collects the debris in an integrated basket, which should be easy to remove and clean, and the automatic navigation should make sure it's covering the entire pool area. Hey, you've been watching it go, you heard about its features. What do you say we pull it out and see how well it did? So as they would say on SpongeBob,
3 days later,
I've actually decided the test is over. I need to see how well it worked, how well it cleaned up the mess, which visually I could see all the leaves I put in here are out. But let's pull this out, see what's inside, talk about how well it worked, or maybe it didn't work. I will also say I was having trouble figuring out what the use case was for this, the remote. And then after the 3 days, and I needed it back to show you, I was like, oh, the remote will come in handy for that, because otherwise it would just still be motoring around by itself. I don't know how long it would run for, but it's been 3 days, worked perfectly. Hey, now it's trying to leave me. Now I've turned it off. Let's pull it out and see what we find. I will tell you, for sure, weighs close to nothing. Here it is. How nice does this machine work? I can't believe it's worked for 3 days without an issue. I'm now going to turn it off just for safety's sake. It is now off. Let's see what we find in here. So as you may have noticed, this pool is in a cage here in southern Florida. So I actually threw some leaves in here as a test, and it has recovered them all. How cool is that? As well as there is a whole lot more dirt and debris and that kind of stuff than I ever expected to find in here. It's a little interesting. I don't know how that works. How does it get dirt and debris off the surface of the pool? I am not at all sure how that works, but it absolutely has cleared that up, and all the leaves that I put in there. You saw how easy it was to take this out, right? You just simply take this, hose it off, put it back in here, close it, lock it, you are ready to go again. So the only reasonable answer to wrap this whole thing up is this has worked amazingly well, has definitely exceeded all my expectations. It got stuck nowhere, it broke nothing, it just motored around for 3 freaking days. Like every night I'd come out, I'd be like, is it still out there? Is it still on? Then I come out in the morning and it's still motoring around. I am so impressed at how long it lasted for. The job it did was really great. So if it's light and easy to use, runs kind of forever, and does a good job, the only answer can be this is a 5 out of 5 on the dope score. If you're looking for an automated skimmer for your pool, I don't see how you could go wrong with this. Hope this was helpful. We'll see you next time.